pretty? I love it. Oh, it's so cool. Look how pretty. That piece of wood wasn't here before. That's pretty. It's gonna be a table. I love this. Where's my dog? Oh, all the way over there. Look at that. Right there. She's like, why are you over there? Oh, something's happening. Oh my gosh. Let's go see. Let's go see. What do you? Don't get distracted, Amelia. Don't get us. Oh, this is exciting. Oh. Oh my God. Wow. That's beautiful. Oh my God. I'm so excited.
It's this one.
You what?
I had to find it in my ginormous bag of stuff.
What'd you find?
I had to go do something really quick.
What are you chewing on? What are you chewing on?
Don't sit on these things, they hurt.
Whoa, look at the specs on that.
That's how strong he is. It's hard.
He's like, it's simple.
He acts like it's simple, but it's because he's incredibly
Strong, yeah. I already do it. I get like nothing. Look at that. And like that, we got a window frame.
Yep.
That's amazing. Wow.
Oh.
Guys, like light?
What is the light?
I was like, I can bring the light apparently. I forgot I had a whole flash thing
I found
here.
my 2 spotlight things too that we actually could use.
This has got double use.
Yeah.
I got something to put over that.
I had double use on this thing.
The ice is stuck together.
That's what I would, yeah. The ice is all stuck because it's cold. That's wicked. That's amazing. Is that the second box?
No, these are nails. I done used all them.
Oh
You
yeah.
told
they're
those are
gone.
screws all gone.
The screws go for the plates and the
of
course.
course.
They don't last long.
Tell me what else we need to get.
Nah, it's alright.
What?
Probably a bug.
I don't know what it was, but it wasn't delicious.
I think Amelia's scared when you hammer.
She's like, are you okay?
I think there were 2 screws left of the long ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that'll be for the bottom plate on that side. And then it's nails. We'll need a couple screws for the top, but
I got more 2x4s in the shed too.
we're good.
Wicked.
Good.
Done.
Dude.